she's already recording.
This is slime making.
We know. It's a secret grid. That we're never,
Is it hard?
that we're never posting.
Is it hard?
It's kinda hard.
Why?
Look, this is my mommy's honey. Ouch. Can we like put some of those weird things?
I'm not sure. That's us, okay?
I always dreamed of having those slimes.
I will ask ate.
Can you ask Ate?
Okay, wait for a while.
I think they're good at this. As in like so muscles. Look, I'm so shiny. It's shimmering, splendid. No, you're not. You're shiny. They're shiny, splendid, and splendid. Okay, then you shouldn't do that. Are we allowed, like, you know, to bring it home? But where are we gonna get it actually?
Here.
No, I meant is actually, bro, what do you? Tita Sexy. I meant is where do we put it?
There, in that cup.
In this cup? As in this exact cup? What it will take us?
There will be a cover, you know.
Huh?
There will be a cover.
I'm gonna get a sprinkler. Is this good enough?
I think so.
I'm doing this. Can you call Ate and ask? Whoa, I just made a baby. What if we play with it after? Yep. Just our sprinkles first. Well, yeah. For extra. We're taking glitter.
Wait, let's ask for permission.
What will you pick as a glitter? Glitter, I don't know. If you pick something charming, sprinkles.
Hey, those cups are not included, okay, guys?
Tita Sex.
Ate, pwede po silang lagyan ng one?
Yes po, nakain.
Okay na po.
One lang. Ano gusto niyo ilagay?
Hindi po, meron one for foam base, one for sprinkles, then one piece for char.
Oh.
You need to make it first.
Oh, we have to put 3 of them.
One in every choices.
Oh. One lang.
One from the beads, one
Oh,
from
you
the
mean one
sprinkles,
lang?
and one from the charm. One each. Tama.
Yes.
We're taking
Then
the
you need to
charm.
mix it fast.
You need to mix it more pa daw.
Keith, why is it so sticky?
Now you're tired.
Yeah, my hands are really tired and feels really. And my hands is getting my bone, and I think I'm fierce.
Those are like for muscles, you know. Can I see your muscles?
Is it okay? Me, I was lifting weights while waiting for
Can I see your muscles?
The weights are that heavy.
Wait.
I already grew a rat out of them.
Give me your hand first.
Come here.
Rub. Okay. You can knead your slime.
How do I do it?
You need it.
Like
Like the pizza, you know. You have to knead it. Just like what we did in Kutopia, remember? Yes, like that.
Utopia.
Wait.
Wait, ate. You have to cover your hands with the activator.
Nice.
Be careful, Jaden. Be careful.
Give me your hands first.
So satisfying.
Is it?
Rub.
Okay,
Then you can
attention.
start kneading.
Kneading it.
Like this softly?
Yes. Diba, you
Like this
remember
one.
what we do in Kutopia? You have to spread and then fold.
You have to spread and fold. What do I do actually?
You can like take the whole them.
And I like take
Yes.
it and then I'll fold it.
Yes.
I'm so sticky. You gotta see what the activity. Wheel. It's like glue. This is Daddy's one at night.
Oh.
I'm gonna tell Daddy. Oh my hands are yellow. My hands are cold. Help, please. Don't you want to get dirty as us? Oh,
It's so goopy, right?
it's so goofy. Can you ask help, please?
No, you can do it. Just
It looks like I'm Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Me, I look like I'm weird. I look so goofy. Bro, you have more slime on yours. I know. So goofy, yeah. I need activator.
no need.
No
You-
hands.
No. You need it more.
Like this.
Yes.
Can you like rabbit?
Yes, you need it more pa kasi. Because the activators is still there, oh.
Oh, slime cleans your body.
I need to make more.
Oh, need it more.
See mo? My hands are getting more messy. Look,
Uy, Jaden.
this is what Dreamlab needs. I don't
You have to
know.
need it more, ate. Need it more.
What do you mean?
Just like what
This
Jaden is
what
doing.
Dreamland do like this. Am I supposed to do like this? Could be dream.
Need, not like that.
Oh. Why not copy Jaden instead? Yes. Just have to do this. Put the slime.
You're like
away.
this. You're like with the spider web, you know.
Tita, sexy pa kuha yung pants. Yung pants ko. Help. Get it, please.
How are you there?
Help.
Sister?
I'm getting impatient.
Please.
I'm getting so goofy.
Please be patient.
I'm starting to call myself goofy. Well, you know, you can rub it on your hands, you know. Actually, slime actually makes you clean, you know. I finally know how to handle my own slime. Yep. Yoink. Yoink. Okay, got it.
Baka naman mapunta sa akin yan, Has.
Yoink.
Yes.
Okay. Yoink. 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 I learned how to handle my own slime. Is yours so liquidy? Not anymore. Yours? Mine is kind. This is so liquid. Now I know what to do. I want to car. Now, one soldier. This sexy.
Yes?
Why do you drag us here?
Don't you want?
Actually, I just want to know.